Welcome back to Aesthetics Magazine. Discover more skincare resources at aestheticsmagazine.com. In this episode, we are going to offer a crash course in skincare products used in facials. Most skincare products can be categorized into the bigger groups: creams, lotions, gels, and solutions. Creams are emulsions. They are mixes of oil and water. Creams are oil-based, in fact they are internally whipped oil. Creams and lotions are typically moisturizers. Gels are light and water-based. They typically do not contain fatty stuff. They are mostly used for oily skin. Solutions are well named because they are really solutions. They are a form where the entire product is dissolved in the base fluid. Many serums are solutions because they are just so full of good actives. Some products used for facials are cleansers, toners, masks, exfoliants, serums, and moisturizers. Some products used for facials, for example, cleansers and treatments, are also used in normal daily skincare routines. However, other products, for example, desincrustation solution, are only used during electrotherapy treatments. When you will be applying products during a facial, you should follow the same principles that you do for skincare routine at daily basis and follow the manufacturer's instructions. This is a good opportunity to see the client's skin close up and to check again for any skin conditions. The skin must always be properly prepared before a facial treatment, both in the salon and at home. This means removing makeup, if appropriate, and cleansing the skin, followed by skin analysis. Always make sure products are applied to clean skin using effective massage movements. Products should be removed from the container using a spatula. This prevents contamination of the product left in the container. If there is no spatula in the container, you should use some tissue, which should be thrown away afterwards. Always ensure products are replaced in their correct place. Many salons work on the principle that, once a product has been opened for use, it should be held for no longer than 6 months. However, products which are opened and used during a treatment should be lost after the treatment and not kept until the next appointment. This is because they may become contaminated during treatment. The power of methodical cleansing and exfoliation cannot be underestimated when establishing a new routine or looking to improve the complexion. People have to face many stressors that take their toll on the skin across the day, including pollution, UV rays, and chemicals present in cleansing products. As the majority of the impurities that affect the skin are attracted to oils, cleansing should be the foundation of any effective facial treatment. A good cleanser will efficiently remove any dirt, makeup, and excess oils from the skin's surface, ensuring the pores are kept clear and the skin can breathe. This will also help to prevent the proliferation of harmful microorganisms that thrive on the acidic mantle and sebum of the skin that can lead to skin problems and conditions. However, there are different classifications of cleanser that are available: milky lotions, gels, foaming cleansers, oils, and balms. Masks are used to supplement the work of the other products used during the facial treatment. They are formulated to remain on the skin for a significant period of time in order to deliver the active ingredients. There are different masks available for all skin types and conditions. Serums are products with a high concentration of active ingredients. They have smaller molecules compared to the moisturizers, which enables them to penetrate the skin deeper. Serums are used to target specific skin concerns and can be applied under the mask as part of the facial treatment. A facial mask can be used during professional facial treatments. Coupling relaxation with the skin-benefiting ingredients of a mask makes for an overall more effective treatment. Different masks are available for different purposes, for example rehydrating, nourishing, anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, or revitalizing the skin. An esthetician will choose the appropriate mask to suit the individual client's skin type and condition. It's important to explain to the client what the mask will do for their skin and what the active ingredients are. Also, tell the client how the mask will feel when applied and during the treatment, for example, tingling or calming. Serums and mask bottles in beauty salon. It's normal for clients to feel uncertain about the transparency of the products. Assure the clients that all of the products used during a facial treatment are from professional ranges and have been specifically chosen to suit a range of skin types and conditions. Masks are usually applied with a brush, spatula, or with fingers. Always ensure that the hands are washed before applying the mask to a client's face. Also, explain to the client that cross-infection could happen if fingers are used and put into a mask pot. A small mask should be taken from the pot and placed into a suitable container. This will prevent the rest of the mask spoiling if it becomes contaminated with bacteria from a client's skin. On today's market, there are physical sunscreens, which form a protective barrier on the skin's surface and reflect UV radiation, and chemical sunscreens, which absorb UV radiation and work within the skin. People with sensitive or acne-prone skin may be recommended to use physical sunscreens as they are less likely to irritate the skin compared to chemical sunscreens. It is often required to apply a nickel-sized amount of sunscreen to the face about 30 minutes before exposure to the sun. Also, in order to maintain optimum protection, the sunscreen needs to be reapplied every 2 hours. However, if swimming, excessive sweating, or towel drying occurs, the reapplication needs to be more frequent. It is important to make sure that sunscreen is the last step in the morning skincare routine and to apply the product to all skin not covered by clothing. Sunscreen is a product that absorbs or reflects some of the sun's ultraviolet, UV, radiation and helps protect the skin from sunburn and premature aging. There are 2 types of UV radiation that sunscreen can protect against, which are UVA, long-wave ultraviolet A, and UVB, short-wave ultraviolet B. UVA can prematurely age the skin while UVB causes sunburn. Both UVA and UVB can cause skin cancer. The sun protection factor, SPF, indicates sunscreen's ability to protect the skin from UVB. For instance, if a person's skin would normally turn red after 10 minutes in the sun, using an SPF 15 sunscreen would allow them to stay in the sun without getting burned for approximately 150 minutes. Moisturizers and sunscreens are 2 of the most important products used in facial treatments. Moisturizers help to balance the water and oil levels in the skin. There are 6 different types of moisturizers, including oil-free, humectants, occlusive, night, day, and specialty moisturizers. Oil-free moisturizers can hydrate oily areas while not adding any additional oil to the skin. Humectants are water-binding agents that can hydrate the skin cells by attracting moisture from the air. Occlusive moisturizers form a protective barrier on the skin's surface to prevent water from evaporating. Night moisturizers often contain higher levels of active ingredients to help repair the skin overnight, while day moisturizers are lighter and allow for smoother makeup application. Specialty moisturizers aim to hydrate acne-prone, sensitive, or aged skin. Discover the natural power of vitamins with this new book, Understanding Vitamins in Skincare by Greg Rishaw. Learn how vitamins can nourish, protect, and renew your skin, all while embracing a healthy, balanced approach. Get your copy today and uncover the secrets to natural ingredients. Understanding Vitamins in Skincare is available now on Amazon.com.